If you've ever dreamed of making money online but felt unsure where to start, then this video is for you. In today's digital age, YouTube Shorts offers an incredible opportunity for beginners to earn anywhere from $100 to $500 daily. Yes, you watched that right. You don't need to be famous, have a large subscriber base, or possess high-level editing skills to make this work. Let's dive into how you can harness the power of YouTube Shorts and turn it into a steady income stream. What are YouTube Shorts? YouTube Shorts are short-form videos that range from 15 to 60 seconds in length, designed to captivate audiences with quick and engaging content. Launched to rival TikTok, Shorts have quickly become one of YouTube's most popular features, amassing trillions of views worldwide. Yes, trillions. The platform's CEO recently shared that Shorts are a game-changer for creators, allowing them to reach massive audiences without the long-form video grind. Whether it's funny moments, life hacks, or dance trends, Shorts deliver content in a way that's fast, entertaining, and perfect for today's scrolling habits. For beginners, they are the easiest way to build a channel, gain subscribers, and get noticed. You don't need fancy equipment or a large production budget, just a good idea and a few clicks to upload. Why you don't need subscribers or experience? One of the biggest myths about YouTube is that you need thousands of subscribers to make money or see results. The truth? You don't. In fact, many creators have built successful channels with 0 subscribers when they started. The magic of YouTube Shorts lies in its ability to push content to millions of people through the Shorts feed. Unlike traditional videos that rely heavily on subscriber engagement, Shorts can go viral overnight. The algorithm works differently, giving new creators a real chance to shine. Imagine starting from scratch and seeing your channel grow to thousands or even millions of subscribers in just a few months. That's not wishful thinking. It's a proven outcome for many who use Shorts strategically. No prior experience, no problem. All you need is consistency, creativity, and a willingness to learn. Can you use other people's content? This is a common question, and the answer is yes, but only if you do it correctly. YouTube has strict copyright policies, but they also allow for fair use and content sharing under specific guidelines. The trick is to credit the original creators and be transparent about your approach. For example, if you're reposting a viral TikTok video, simply include the creator's username and a link to their profile in your video description. Additionally, having an email in your YouTube channel's About section for content removal requests shows professionalism and respect for the original creators. This ensures that you stay on the right side of copyright laws while building your channel. Surprisingly, many creators are happy when their content is shared because it increases their exposure. It's a win-win situation. You grow your channel, and they get more fans. Successful YouTube channels that use Shorts. Number 1. Vlog Squad World. This channel started just a year ago and has already accumulated over 322,000 subscribers. By simply reposting TikTok content, Vlog Squad World has seen incredible growth. Some of their videos have gone viral, with views surpassing 182 million. They focus entirely on Shorts and don't even bother with long-form content. Despite not posting for a while, their older videos continue to rake in views and generate income. This channel proves that you don't need elaborate production or a famous face to succeed on YouTube. By strategically selecting proven content that resonates with viewers, they've unlocked the secret to consistent growth and earnings. Number 2. Viral Blog. Viral Blog has taken things to another level, achieving 1.1 million subscribers in under a year. Their formula? Reposting viral TikTok videos that captivate audiences, with individual videos pulling in 432 million views and more. Their success is staggering. They don't create their own content, but rely on smart curation to attract millions of viewers. The channel's meteoric rise showcases the power of viral content and how quickly Shorts can propel even a new creator to stardom. Number 3. Viral TikTok. With 577,000 subscribers and over 1 billion views, Viral TikTok is another shining example of Shorts success. They joined YouTube in October 2020 and have consistently posted popular TikTok videos. The channel credits original creators and maintains a removal policy, ensuring smooth operations. Their ability to generate millions of views per video highlights how effective this strategy can be. The best part? They didn't need to record or edit any videos themselves. How to start a YouTube Shorts channel. Starting your YouTube Shorts channel is much simpler than you might think. And with the right strategy, you can be on your way to building a thriving platform in no time. The first step is to choose a content source. Decide where you'll find your videos. TikTok and Instagram Reels are goldmines for viral, attention-grabbing content. These platforms are constantly updated with trending challenges, creative clips, and unique moments, ensuring a steady stream of ideas for your channel. Next, download videos using reliable tools like TikTok video downloaders. Save these clips to your computer or smartphone, ensuring they are of high quality and free from watermarks for a polished and professional appearance. Once you've gathered your content, it's essential to credit the original creators. Always mention the creator's name and provide a link to their profile in your video descriptions. This practice not only builds trust with your audience, but also ensures you stay legally compliant with YouTube's policies. When you're ready to upload, focus on optimizing titles and tags. Use catchy titles that grab viewers' attention and relevant tags that make your videos easier to discover. A well-thought-out description with keywords can significantly increase your chances of reaching a wider audience. Finally, remember that consistency is key. Upload frequently. Aim for at least one video daily, or even up to 10 shorts a day if possible. The more content you produce, the more data YouTube's algorithm has to push your videos to the right audience. With dedication and persistence, your channel can grow exponentially, and your shorts can begin reaching millions of viewers. Monetizing your channel. Although ad revenue from YouTube Shorts is limited, there are several highly effective ways to monetize your channel and generate significant income. One popular method is affiliate marketing, where you join platforms like ClickBank or Digistore24 to promote products in your video descriptions. Each sale made through your affiliate link earns you a commission, with some products offering up to 90% commissions, meaning even one sale could result in substantial earnings. Another lucrative option is cost per action marketing, which rewards you whenever viewers complete specific actions, such as signing up for a newsletter or downloading an app. Websites like Cost Per Action Grip make it easy to access a variety of cost per action campaigns. As your channel grows, sponsorships and brand deals become valuable income streams. Brands will often approach you with offers ranging from $500 to $1,500 per post, depending on your audience size and engagement levels. These deals might include shoutouts, product placements, or promotional links in your video descriptions. Additionally, community posts offer another passive income opportunity, as brands may pay you to feature their products or services directly in these posts. By leveraging these diverse monetization methods, you can create multiple income streams and ensure your channel remains profitable and sustainable. Exclusive resources to jumpstart your success. If creating original content feels overwhelming, some creators offer curated collections of high-performing shorts. These videos are proven to get views and are shared with permission, eliminating copyright concerns. For example, some channels provide access to Google Drive folders containing their best-performing videos. You can download and upload these videos to your channel, ensuring instant results. Additionally, many creators offer affiliate links for their products, allowing you to earn commissions for promoting them. Tips for long-term success. To ensure your channel thrives in the long term, consistency is crucial. Stick to a regular posting schedule and resist the urge to give up too soon, as persistence often leads to success. Stay creative by adding your unique touch to reposted content. Even small tweaks can make a big difference in standing out. Engage actively with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging viewers to subscribe, like, and share, as building a loyal community requires genuine effort. Additionally, diversify your income streams by exploring opportunities beyond ad revenue, such as affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and CPA campaigns, to maximize your earnings and ensure sustainable growth. And there you have it. Whether you're reposting viral TikToks, exploring affiliate marketing, or diving into sponsorships, the opportunities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? The next viral hit could be just one upload away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and strategies to grow your online income. Got questions or ideas? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, success is just a short away. See you in the next video.